Hey, what's up guys, this is Akshi and today we have with us the Apple Watch Series 9. Now I ordered from Amazon for 32k, so original pricing of Series 9 is around 42k, but September is near, so probably the Series 10 or Apple Watch 10 is going to launch. That's why they're running offers with Amazon Great Indian Sale, as well as Flipkart also has their sale, so you can save up to 10k on these devices. Additionally, I got 1600 cashback on my Amazon Pay credit card, so effectively I got this for 30,800. Now let's quickly unbox this. I'm super excited for this one. Say smart is beautiful, typical Amazon packaging. Let's cut through with an unnecessary black scissor. So as you can see, it's kind of sellotape so that no one can tear the packaging. So it has nice Amazon packaging, classic Amazon. And you can see this is the Apple Watch. There's a little bit dirt here, but as you can see, it says 41,900, imported by Apple India Private Limited, so it's actually from China. Now this is the silver edition with the sports loop actually. So let's quickly unbox this one. It says Apple Watch. Let's open the packaging. And yeah, see the packaging, it's amazing. It says Apple Watch. So this is the carbon neutral sports loop, which is Chirusa hook and loop, and as you can see, this is basically the bluish color because silver goes well with blue. Here you have the watch itself. We will peel the sealing. So Apple products has seals on both the sides, so quickly cut the seal off. It says designed by California. We have Apple Watch here. Let's put it outside the case. The case is very good. It's nice, soft. As you can see, it says 41mm. And this is nice silver Apple Watch case. First I will open the loop, then we will boot this up. Let's open the case or loop. It also has a seal. Now the loop is actually expensive on Apple website. It's around 5,000, but on Amazon you can get a really nice one for 2,000-3,000 rupees. But this is the original sport loop, as you can see. It's also called as Milanese loop. So let's remove this up. As you can see, it's kind of a rubbery, but it's sweat proof actually. It's good for summer, so I got this one because I couldn't anyway use a metal strap for my Apple Watch. And you can see it's very easy to put it up. You have just to align. There you have it. So let's boot this up. So this is the power button actually. So I will remove my Amazfit GTS 2 Mini and replace it with the latest Apple Watch. Now this doesn't come so that it won't fall, which is good. As you can see, pretty nice fit. And 41mm is actually perfect for my hand, so I would suggest go to a store and see which one is perfect. So 45mm was quite big for my hand, so this is perfect. As you can see, now it says activate the Apple Watch using an iPhone. So I have an iPhone 15 here, so let's quickly pair this up. So we'll go to Apple Watch, start pairing, set up for myself, and as you can see, it works as magic. Your Apple Watch is fair. This is easy, guys. I mean, on Android, pairing the watch was not as easy. Like, you need to go to the app, download the app, then it will search, then pair, then sign in with, say, for Me ID or Amazfit ID. But with this, is just 2 steps. So we'll set up the Apple Watch. So it says 41mm aluminum case. So it's nice aluminum premium Apple Watch. So till it paired, let's unbox the case as well. So I've also ordered the case, which is like a sub 500 rupees case. So quickly unbox this one. So as you can see, it says high quality, enjoy your new product, and it's I don't know how to pronounce it, but it's VEMIGON Tough PC 9 and 7 41mm. As you can see, this is the case, watch tempered case. Now again, it's good to have protection because your Apple Watch is really expensive, and I have a lot of accidents with my GTS 2 Mini, and even the first Amazfit watch also got screen damage. So it's better to invest in a case than to cry later. As you can see, nice metal. It's actually plastic, but it's metal coated, as you can see. So also you have screen protector here, which you can remove. As you can see, one back, and you can apply to your Apple Watch, which I will do right now. But let's see. It says Apple Watch passcode. When you set a passcode, Apple Watch locks when you take it off and requires the passcode to unlock. It helps protect your data. I don't think so I need a passcode. Just weird to have a password on your Apple Watch, so don't use passcode. It says bold text and size. So I think default seems to be good to my opinion, so we'll continue. Shared settings, okay. Personalized health and fitness, so we'll set the date of birth to 11 March 1997. Male, height is 168, weight is 76, perfect. Welcome to activity on Apple Watch. So I will keep my goal to 10,000 steps, which is 360 calories, but I will up it in the next month. So perfect. Workout route tracking. Workouts uses your location to track routes and local weather for outdoor workouts. Okay, I will enable it. So basically have all the features enabled. While taking these heart modifications, cardio fitness estimates can be affected by certain heart medications, so I'm not taking any medications. So continue. Okay, so this is double tap, which is basically a feature of Apple Watch, so it's probably the good one. So let's continue. Apple Watch is syncing. Your Apple Watch is almost ready. You will get an alert when it's done, so you can use the phone as normally would while you're waiting. Learn more about the Apple Watch. So Apple Watch is syncing, so I will wait actually. Now this has, I don't know what is this. I think this is for the loop. So say device added to account. Okay, so now it can be searched through the Find My as well. So get to know your Apple Watch. So you have all the features, which we can see later. It's still syncing, by the way. So this actually has a protective glass outside, so it's prevented actually. So we can just put the case in. So we just wipe this up. So this has built-in case. We'll use that as well. So you have it. It was this easy. And but the sensors should not be covered, so I won't cover the sensors actually. And I can peel this plastic as well. So it looks nice and new. And we also have this wheel protector. We'll remove this up and we'll apply this wheel. Cool. So let's wear my Apple Watch. But it's getting hot, guys. I mean, the watch is getting heated, I guess. So welcome to your Apple Watch. Okay, I would say So we'll say start. Learn how to navigate your Apple Watch. Press the digital crown to see your apps. Okay. Press the digital crown to return to your watch face. Okay. Press the side button to open control center. Okay, that's cool. Press the side button to close the control center. Okay, that's cool as well. Turn the digital crown to see your widgets. That is sick. Welcome to Apple Watch. So the interface is pretty good. It's nice and fast. As you can see, we're getting the messages as well. So it basically works better with the iPhone. So yeah, this is the Apple Watch. Pretty good. It has Siri. It has everything basically. It has Apple Music. You have the apps. So stay tuned for food review. I will use it for quite a while now and come with my food review. Thank you for watching. We'll catch you in the next video. Bye bye now.